Use our catalog to find the items you'd like to check out. First, go to our website at boylepublib.org. You can use the search bar to search the catalog directly from the website. When you're looking in the catalog, you can use filters on the left-hand side to help you narrow the results. For this item, I'm looking for the movie. So I can select More to see all of the different types of material. When I choose DVD, it'll come up with the DVDs. I can see that the library owns the DVD, and I will put that in my request.
So you've had a chance to check out our catalog, and you know which items that you want to check out with our curbside request service. Great. What's the next step? Just pick up your phone, dial 859-238-7323. I'll give them a second to pick up. Hi, yes. I would like to place a curbside pickup request, please. Absolutely. My name is Caleb Conover. Library card number, it's 264020000. Yes, I have one specific item, and I've got the title and author for you. It's The Hobbit by J.R.R. Tolkien. And then I get up to 10 items, is that right? Great. For the rest of the 9 items, I'd just like to make a genre request for historical fiction, and I'll take what you give me. Great. Yes, pickup person, that would be me. I'll be picking up all my own stuff. All right, I look forward to seeing you then. Thanks. Bye.
If you would like to submit your request by email, that's perfectly fine. Just address a new message to library@boylepublib.org. The most effective subject heading that will catch the attention of our staff will most likely be something along the lines of curbside request. In your message body, please be sure to include your name, your library card number, and your phone number so that our staff can follow up with you and confirm your request. You can request specific items, as we mentioned before, so I've included the title, The Hobbit, and the author's name, J.R.R. Tolkien, for this one specific item I would like. For the remainder of the limit, I can also request genre suggestions from library staff. So here you'll see that I've said mystery and historical fiction. But of course, it's not limited to those things. If you place one of these requests, you do get what you get, and all items are based on the availability of our collection and what's currently on the shelf at the time of your request. Finally, you'll want to be sure to indicate that you are the person picking up the order. Now, library staff on both the phone call and the email option may respond to request additional information to ensure that you receive the correct order.
It's as easy as that. Just place your order. Our staff will confirm the items that you want up to a limit of 10, and they'll work with you to set up a pickup time that is convenient for you to stop by, usually between about 2 and 5, Tuesday through Friday.
So this is what we do for curbside. We get the orders either by email or phone call between 10 and 2 on Tuesday through Friday. And this is the process we go through. So we clean the books off real good. Check them out to the patron's account, which when you call or email, we get the card information and all that at the time. Put the summer reading program in and the receipt. We bag the books up and put the patron's name on the slip. We then take the cart of books and items outside from 2 until 5, Tuesday through Friday. Patrons just drive up, pick up their items, and go on their way.